Mr Big angangilekelela kule kunokubaleka ekumeni kwazi ukuthi indaba kuthiwa ngabothatha ngo left left isandla sona sokuthatha vele sokwamukela hence ufaka isiphanda sakuboka mama kwa left it's the receiving hand lento ukuthi bakutshela ukuthi ungabothatha ngo left isandla semfene siyabheda babezama ukugwema ukuthi ungathathi i-energy isandla sika right siyakhipha isandla sika left siyamukela ingakho noma ubamba wonotice ukuthi i-firm grip yakho iphuma kwa left than kwa right isandla esibambelelayo leso manje noma unika umuntu into especially laba baboleka imali kini anovamisa ukuthi niqaphele ukuthi uyibeke phansi ninganikani exchange ngandla niyakhungana kufana nokukhungana uthi why umakhosi emsamo makakunika umuthi akakunika esandleni ubeka phansi ningasukukhungana nilokhu ninikana ifana nalezi zinto zenza amahagi imikhuba le number niyenza lena sikhohliswa umhlaba wabelungu ukuthi girl how you girl ulokhu hagana nalomuntu ukuthintana nje nalo muntu ngecontact makaphethwe ikhanda ephethwe yini so exchange wadonsa zonke lezi zinto zakhe usuyafika nasendlini awuhlambuluku usufika usuye emsamo manje ufika uyasinda lapha Jwele izinto ukuklenza kubalekile yabona nje isiqunga ngisithandile sikamkhulu ukhulume into ebalekile kabi nifunde ukuziklenza niyekela ukuthi umuthi kaDaughter usebenza umuthi kaGadifela usebenza kamkhulu bani awusebenzi because ngisho nebhodwe lakho endlini before uzopheka isishebo mali nesikhokho sayizolo uyasikhipha nkosi amawukaza wapheka isithu sakho sithandayo osishaya ngisho nobaba wasekhaya athi wapheka mkami uphekela phezulu kwesikhokho so nani nifuna ukufaka imithi phezulu kwemizimba le mithi lena manje iba slow to speed up the catalyst it must find a clean vessel mayifika izokwazi ukusebenza iprocess kahle
mina abanye bazosebenzisa ama ritual la ku TikTok bathatha ama cinnamon uthatha ngazi namabisi umuntu akhona hamba ayenza umntana abantu bathi ugeze for 7 days umuntu avuvuke abe ngaka umuntu agule or umuntu avelelwe ngamabhadi namashwa because of angeke ukwazi ukusebenzisa i-ritual yenhlanhla phezulu kokunqola kuwena sithona sami izohlakaza whatever that is there to hlakaza so uyabona mawuhlakaniphile mntana sekhaya mawufuna izinto zakho ukuthi zisebenze zikusebenzele always know that before you use i-ritual yenhlanhla you must get rid of any negativity from you as a vessel because you are a vessel. So right now, Tonasam, we don't know what kind of negativity you have. You are just there, you are at home, asas good we don't know. That has been there, and then ufunu ritual yenhlanhla. It won't work, bantwana baseka. It won't work. So umkhulu made it very clear. I love the way hambise ngakhona 3 days you are cleansing 3 days then you get to use i-ritual yakho yenhlanhla yemali ukuthi imali mayihlale kuwena imali mayingene na uthandeke njengabanye abantu ubaba wasendlini ubaby makathi makakubona mntana seke athi mntana mbamba na 100 rand or nawe ukwazi ukuthi uqaqeke somewhere somehow uzoqaqeka kodwa kuzokuletha ukukhanya. So any into bantwana baseka umkhulu mentioned something about the right hand. The right hand has killed many people. Lento umkhulu ayikhulumayo ngicela ukuthi ningayithatheli phansi. Yabona lesi sandla lesi ubuza umuntu onebusiness ukuthi sibayenzeni. Abantu bavalelwe balinywazwe ama business nenhlanhla zabo ngalesi sandla. And the reason why yonke into esiyenzayo sinikela ngisho nomuntu abathi bamgangele ngemali walinywazwa with this hand. So that's why abanye thola ukuthi umuntu akhona une business akayithatha imali ngesandla but abanye there's the guy here who came here last time if you remember what yazi gogo ngiphuphe ngifakwa isearch la kulesi sandla lesi saka right ngathi mina kakhulu isearch ebovu ezandleni bayenzela ukuthi mawumuntu one business ayisho nihamba nithatha imali umuntu ozofika futhi nani ngabantu abamnyama nithandani for the fact that ungibona nginestolo lapho uthumela umntwana ukuthi azongivala just ukuthi ngisithengisela iice cream namakhekhe nani uthumela umuntu ukuthi mawuhamba uyovala lapha so umuntu makeza nemali ufake leyo search esandleni sakhe, whatever the bad the bad negativity eza nayo. Abanye nithengisa amaroko so be careful guys, because some of you bohamba kahle uqhina abantu esaluni, suddenly umuntu ama-customer wasangeni, suddenly abantu abasezi, suddenly you should understand ukuthi abanye nilwazi ngalesi sandla lesi. This hand has killed many less. Izinto zenu zokuthengisa ma umuntu othengisayo, you should know mntanaseka these things. You should know ukuthi when it comes to money, because that's the weapon they are using against you people. Le mali before zifike ezandleni zenu bayazisebenza, ziyakhulunyelwa, zishiselwa izinto ukuthi yabona loya ungase kuphinde kungena umuntu kulela khaya, ungase kuphinde kuthenge ngisho nomuntu oyedwa. Mawuqeda uya somewhere uyohlola ukuthi yazi mina bengithengisa abantu abasangena, mabaqeda bathi unedlozi hamba uyothwasa, ngoba yonke into enzakala empilweni zeni hamba nithwasisa. Bathi hayi wena unedlozi, umkhulu wakho nangu uyavuka, umkhulu wakho dala soso akhala, sho ukuthi nje kumele uhambe uyothwasa, uyothwasela ukuthi wena you were doing good in life. You had a business that was running smoothly, you have customers that were coming to your business, suddenly everything is falling apart. Abantu abasangeni mawuhamba uyohlola bathi unedlozi kumele uyothwasa. Guys, this hand has killed many, so be careful. Mawune business, you must have things that will gather your money in ozoyisebenzisa ngalesi sandla sakho, making sure ukuthi it's either you're gonna put research to protect your hand that is giving and receiving, because we are using this hand to take and give. So that's where abantu abaningi they are exchanging energies. That's where many things are taking place. So yes, sami wena mkhulanga yonke into yathwasisa umuntu maka nebusiness, ibhizinisi yakhe lizowa. Umntana abantu bamshaye ngomuthi, bamvala ngomuthi. Hayi mntana seka uyathwasa, umkhulu wakho uyakhala eintabeni uthi dala uloku ufaka uyathwasa. When you are a business person, uqhina abantu, unestolo nyana, uthengisa amatamati, you have a saloon, you have and especially, you know what irritate me? Abantu abaslimaza yilabo esiphila nabo, because some of you guys will fight ukuthi kule yandawo abakuthandi, abakufuni, bayakufuna ukukumoshela. You are doing good business wise, they always gonna come for you. Got abantu abakholwa ukuthi these things they are happening. Abanye umuntu akhona ungasangeni umuntu mntana sekhaya, because angisho nani phela nashintsha ubunina benu. Maningi ama business avaliwe namhlanje, and these people they were doing good. These kids were doing good. Ngisho nama saloon wabantu abamnyama wavalwa ngemithi. Umntana abantu was doing good, ibusiness yakhe ihamba, kwaba nesitha kuphela sisodwa. Umuntu wavela wathi ngicela ukuthenga iwiki, because abanye you are selling hair, they are saying ngicela iwiki lapho umnika umuntu ayisebenzile le mali. Ayisebenza yabona abanye abantu bazokutshela ukuthi mina umuntu wasendaweni angimsizi. Umuntu wasendaweni angimthengiseli. Why? Because we don't love each other as abantu abamnyama. And yithina futhi esicindezelelana, siyalimazana. Jealousy mntana sekhaya ukuthi umntana abantu uvukile, umalambane uvukile, uvula isitolonyana sakhe lapho uthengisa ama-chips namakota. Nina ngasendaweni you still wanna go in niyolimaza umntana abantu. Makahleli kusasa niyahleka ngaye nithi hawa vele uyavilapha loya yabo. You guys don't love each other. There's no love bantwana basekhaya. Niyathanda ukubona abantu bahlupheka so that nizoba nezinto enizokwazi ukuthi nizikhulume phezulu kwabo. Kodwa umuntu makaphumelela futhi niyabuya nifuna ukumlimaza. So bantwana basekhaya, let's take care of each other and love yourself. Njengoba nibona kulo mhlaba esiphila kuwona mntana sekhaya, izinja, the dogs are here barking. So if when you still having this thing yokuthi hayi ini mntana sekhaya, abo clever bakhona la emhlabeni. Abo clever bakhona la emhlabeni. They are destroying so many things. And ukubhlungu ukuthi bayamoshela, ngigcine senithwasa nezinto ezingekho. They are going after everyone. They are going after your things, guys. They are going after inhlanhla zenu. They are going after your lights. They are going after that. They are destroying abantwana abancane. Shukuthi ayikho into abasangayifuni. Abafuna ungena isikolo, abafuna ugane, abafuna ube nendoda. They are going after everything. And okubhlungu ukuthi nina anizinakekeli. You guys are sleeping. You guys are sleeping. Aniboni ukuthi sime sinjani kulo mhlaba. Thina phela sile genge leyo ukuthi ubuthakathi bukhuleka kakhulu kulo mhlaba. ayikho into ebangayithakathi nje kulo mhlaba wethu. So you need to take care of yourself bantwana basekhaya. Vukani bantu abansundu. Kubhlungu ukubona umuntu aphila kodwa umuntu bathi ufile. Ubulalwe yini umuntu nawu siyambona uyaphila bathi hayi akasaphili lo muntu ufile. Umphefumulo wakhe wabulawa, umphefumulo wakhe walaliswa because you guys are sleeping. Anivuke abantu abamnyama baniqeda mntana sekhaya. Akekho umuntu odalelwe ukubi la emhlabeni. Akekho umuntu odalelwe ukubi la emhlabeni. uNkulunkulu wakho uyazi ukuthi wayenejongo elihle ngempilo yakho. Le uyiphilayo mntana sekhaya kusintando kaNkulunkulu awuzinuka amakhwapha ubuka ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani.